equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, lint-free cloths, and high-quality thermal paste. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This involves unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover removed, locate the CPU and GPU. These components are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink, ensuring you remember the order of the screws for reassembly. Once the heatsink is free, gently lift it off the CPU and GPU. Now, it's time to clean the old thermal paste. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and carefully wipe away the old paste from both the CPU and GPU surfaces, as well as the heatsink. Make sure the surfaces are completely clean and dry before applying new thermal paste. When applying the new thermal paste, use a small amount, about the size of a pea, on the center of the CPU and GPU. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If you feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. After applying the thermal paste, carefully reattach the heatsink, ensuring it is secured with the screws in the correct order. Replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw the back cover back on, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and monitor the temperatures to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and extend its lifespan. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.